Hey everyone, Mike Pravat here from michaelpravat.com. Hey, wanted to bring you a new video today that I was just looking at. I was going through some stuff and I happened to run across this particular product, and I thought it was pretty cool. It's a done-for-you type of video creation. The name of the product, by the way, is Explainer Video Fortune. And I was kind of looking at some of the videos, and I was thinking, man, this is pretty cool. Some people might be interested in this, so I wanted to get this out to you today, so you can, make up your mind if you thought it could help you. Because right now it just come out on the 11th of January, so that was yesterday, or the day before. What is today? Hell, I don't know. But anyway, it ain't but a couple of days old anyway, and it's on a dime sale, so it's still the lowest price that it's going to be right now. So you're going to want to jump on it as soon as possible. But anyway, let's go through it and check it out a little bit. Let's see what this thing's all about. Okay, so there's your little introductory video. Let's see, we won't go through that right now. Let's see. Attention, marketing professionals who need to generate more leads. Local business owners will be happy to pay for making their phone ring daily. So, that's cool. That's cool. Let's see. All you need to do is deliver a perfectly crafted video that generates leads and converts them into customers. Absolutely. World-class whiteboard animation, 10 local niches that need videos, information, and persuasive scripts, attention-grabbing scenes, used for a wide range of lead generation campaigns. Cool. Of course, you can get instant access right there. Let's see. Businesses need new leads, and there's one way to do even more than generating leads. Let's see. So, let's see. All right. The creator of this product, his name's Don. For the past 6 years, he's been working with hundreds of businesses in multiple industries around the world. Basically, I partner up with businesses in their online marketing efforts. I have been creating websites, videos, funnels, etc., and getting these marketing assets to work together to bring results that are leads and sales. That's what any business is looking for. If you can go to a business, your local business, in your local town, your local cities, if you've got some of these, let's see what these videos are about. Okay, so let's see what they are about. Let's see here. Okay. Fortunes. Let's see. So there's 10 of them. Each video is 2 minutes long, fully packed with attention-grabbing scenes. He's also giving you 10 Blackboard videos with the same content. Now, that way they'll look different, be same, but when you get them on YouTube, they'll be different. And to give you 10 more ways to maybe grab somebody's attention. So that's cool. Let's see, the videos are made with my animation technique that is rare in the marketplace. But most importantly, they are created to build trust, grow brand awareness, and generate leads for local businesses. Awesome. Okay, here they are. So, pediatrician, physical therapist, dermatologist, bankruptcy attorney, personal injury, electrician, contractor, painting, pest control, bookkeeper, insurance agent. All right, and then there is the Blackboard one. All right, let's take a look at this insurance agent. Let's see what they look like.
Choosing an insurance agent can be difficult. There are a lot of different agents out there, but not all of them are the same. Picking the right one can make a big difference in price, service, and value. Here are 5 things you should keep in mind when you're trying to find an insurance agent. 1. Have a clear understanding of what you need. Before starting, you need to know exactly what you are looking for. A knowledgeable agent can use this information to give you accurate quotes and information. 2. Check their credibility. The quickest way to determine whether or not an agent is credible is to ask for referrals. Try to find out why different people like their agent and what things they would change if they could. Customer testimonies can also help you find this information. 3. Consider your options. Try to interview a few different insurance agents. Personality is something that you need to consider because you could end up working with the same person for many years. 4. Policy details. Different insurance agents work in different ways. Independent agents can represent several different companies and they can offer you a variety of choices, while captive agents represent only one company. This means that you should always look at their policy details so that you know exactly what you will be getting. 5. Go with someone who you can really trust. You have to decide whether or not you can trust the insurance.
Okay, so you can tell right there that that is pretty daggum cool. I like that, by the way. The way the style of the videos is laid out, the way when they start drawing it, just kind of comes in with the color and then goes down from one side to the other. I really like that. That's pretty cool. So, all right. So this is pretty cool. I like it so far. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay, so you can go through this sales page yourself. But what I wanted to come over here, and I got two screens, so if I'm over here reading something else, okay? So I wanted to read you this right here. Okay, so the front end product here is going to be 10 professionally created explainer whiteboard videos. 10 niches are including, which we already went through that. They're the same ones that we just looked at. Let's see, okay. So along with this, the OTO 1 will be all the videos with UK voiceovers, PowerPoint templates that allow adding logo and contact information inside the videos. That one's pretty damn good. Yes. Especially if you've got a client, so you're going to want, that's going to help you, definitely. So OTO 2, source files of the videos, square videos for social posting. Okay, so if you want to post any on social media other than YouTube, that's where I would start at, is posting these at, is on YouTube, getting them ranked, and then and then get a company, local company, to to see what you've got there that's in their field, see that you're ranked up top and you're getting views, and then you can try to sell them on it and see if they're willing to pay you to put their information on that video, so they'll start getting phone calls instead of just the views. See what I'm saying? There's ways to do this, and in this course they'll show you how to do all that. So source files from OTO 2, source files of the videos, square videos for social posting. OTO 3 is a WVF prospecting package. Let's see, what is that? 10 prospecting whiteboard video with US voiceover. 10 prospecting whiteboard video with UK voiceover. PowerPoint templates for all the videos, Blackboard version, and source file. So OTO 3 right there is pretty damn cool. I like that one. OTO 4, lead generation power pack. 10 local commercial whiteboard videos with US voiceover, 10 local commercial whiteboard videos with UK voiceover, Blackboard videos and source files, and 40 HTML local business landing pages, 10 niches. That's pretty damn cool, guys. OTO 5, gosh damn, I hate it when they go on. Let's see, customization service and custom video creation service. Okay, that's not bad, because it sounds to me, I could be wrong, but it sounds to me like they're going to, if you buy that OTO 5, then that will allow you to customize and make your own videos, or they're going to do it. I'm not quite sure, but it sounds pretty, if you're serious about this, then you might think about it. if you're serious about really building a business about it, because they're gonna show you how to build a damn business from zero to, you know, building a business. So let's see, front end starts at $12 and it's going to end up at $17. So I don't know when you're seeing this video, so it could be $17 if it's later on, but right now it's probably still close to 12, 13 bucks. It ain't gonna be that much because it's only been out for a couple of days, so you're good. OTO 1, $27. OTO 2 was $27, OTO 3 is $27, OTO 4 was $47, and OTO 5 was $97. Which still all of them, that ain't that bad. That ain't bad at all. So early bird info, so we started out at $9.95. That was like when it first come out, but it's probably up to 12 bucks now, I'm sure. You know, you can check it out and see. Okay. That is all of that information. You know, all in all, if I like this, I love the done for you stuff. You know, I mean, it's like it's done for you. All you gotta do is take them damn videos and get them on YouTube, and then do a little bit of keyword research and stuff like that, and get it out there. That's all you gotta do. I do like that. So, you know, hey, I give it a thumbs up. You know, I think it's a great product. You know, but obviously it's up to you. I mean, my job's to bring this to you so you can, because I didn't even know this was out until earlier today. I was like, oh wow, look, this is pretty cool. So I wanted to go through it. I do not have review access. I ain't had time to ask for it. Didn't even try, because it's pretty self-explanatory. You know, it's a done for you thing. So I like it. You know, I'm not doing any local marketing and don't really care to, but if you are interested in doing that and you want to try it, hey, for 12 bucks, grab what you can for here, and then you can always go back and do the OTOs later, you know, if you feel like you need them. But if you grab the front end, you're like, you know what, I want the OTO 2 or 3 or 4 or whichever one, grab it now and move on, you know. But I do like it. Seems like a good doggone product, and you know, hey, check it out if you want to, and we'll go from there. Anyway, I'm going to cut this thing off. We're at 12 minutes and 31 seconds right now, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. I do recommend it. You know, hey, it's another thing to go in your arsenal of, you know, doing this online thing. And but if you do pick this up, just focus on this. You know, don't jump around doing other stuff. You know, because you got to focus on something and get some traction, get something working, get a little money coming in. You know, get used to something before you jump to something else. That's kind of a bad thing that people fall into, and hell, I fall into it my damn self. You know, it sucks. It really does. Just focus on one thing. But anyway, hey, we're gonna cut this thing off, and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, and click the link in the bottom of the down yonder. There's gonna be a link. Click it. It'll take you to the sales page, and you can take a look at this thing and go through it yourself. And I hope you like it. And you know, if you feel like it can benefit you, pick it up. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.